going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use loop and exit in VHDL. Now this is the previous one we created. Now let's go and edit this one to create the loop and exit. Entity test bench, since we created the file name in test bench, so I put the same name right here, test bench. End entity architecture sim test bench, begin, and processes begin. And after that, let's say hello first. And after hello, let's say we want to print peekaboo, so I put loop right here. And let's get rid of this wait for 10 seconds. And to print something we use report, and let's say peekaboo, and then exit, and end loop, and let's put another printout, report goodbye, and wait. Okay, now let's see what happens if we don't put the exit. Okay, I remove this one and see what happens, because I want you to see the difference. So if I run without exit, there's something wrong. Exit code expected, so here it's not even allowing without exit, because sometime it will allow. Okay, let's see what happens without this end loop. Okay, I cannot do it without end loop. Then let's go and run this one. There's something wrong here. Let's figure out what is that. Compile failure. Oh, I'm missing a semicolon somewhere. Hello peekaboo. Okay, this is where we are missing that. Okay, now let's run without exit right now. Now you can see it's compiling, but it's repeating like the peekaboo, hello. First it's print out hello, and then it repeats peekaboo again, because we created the loop. If we don't put the exit, it doesn't get out of the loop. That's the reason for the exit. So when I put exit, now we can go to the next one and print it out. Now let's go and run this one. Now you can see hello peekaboo goodbye. Okay, that's the reason for exit. So first is print out hello, then it went into the loop peekaboo and exit the loop, and then print out goodbye. That's how we got this one. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn VHDL, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.